Also, the main pages on these sites that have backlinks, should I rebuild these pages or 301 to homepage? The new purpose for this blog I'm planning does not match exactly with the initial posts I want to write about, but they are in the same niche, so I could either rebuild the same content on these old pages or just 301. What do you think, Nick? 301 expert.
So, ideally, if the permalinks, and I talk about this in my case study, if the permalinks, the historical permalinks, are worthwhile, then you can just rebuild them as they are if they're worthwhile in the form of keyword research and what you'd want to be going after. If they're similar to something that you want to rank for, then 301, not to the home page, but to that specific page, right? You want to keep as much juice flowing in the right direction or in that niche of a direction as possible. And then if they don't match up to absolutely anything, like let's say you bought a domain that's got a bunch of old permalinks that are really long tail, they didn't know anything about keyword research, they don't serve much of a purpose, yeah, just go ahead and 301 them back to the homepage. That's why, earlier we talked about that 404 to relevant posts plugin. I like to run that and redirection at the same time. That way I can get real specific with 301s that I know I want to utilize using redirection, and then everything else is handled with 404 to relevant posts plugin. And so, yeah, you want to keep things as niche down as possible, get them going to inner pages that either have the same permalink as they used to, or, something that's going to be relevant.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.